Hi, I am Michael Hollins. I am the founding and managing attorney here at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office, where we practice bankruptcy law. And today I am going to answer the question, where do you go if you have to go anywhere to file bankruptcy? When you file, do you have to go somewhere to file? Is there any requirements that you actually physically go anywhere? But before I dive into that, I'd like to answer to let you know that if you need any additional information on bankruptcy, please head on over to hollandsbankruptcy.com. You can always give us a call here at 866 86 Bills, where you can talk with a 24-hour, 7 days. We have someone on standby to set an appointment so that you always get to talk to an attorney when you call. But now back to the question at hand, when and where would you have to go if you are filing bankruptcy? When do you go to court? When do you go see the trustee? And what has changed since COVID? Now, prior to COVID, there were a few places you had to go. Of course, first, you had to go to your attorney's office, and that was the initial consultation. That was any visitations that you may have had, any back and forth and signing of documents. Okay, but once the paperwork is filed, then you have a meeting of creditors. This meeting of creditors typically requires a visit to the trustee's office. In this meeting, the trustee is basically asking you some very, very basic questions about the paperwork. Things as simple as, where do you live? Is your address the same on your license? To what is your income and the makeup of your expenses. These are all things that we would have gone through, of course, so you would have the answers. It'd be very, very straightforward. Now, this meeting would require a visit to the trustee's office, but not to court. Unless the trustee is asking that you meet in the courthouse, it's just going to the trustee's office. Now, due to COVID, this has changed. You no longer have to even come to the attorney's office. Everything is handled due to different health protocols as much as possible via email, via Zoom, as we're talking here, like we are here today, and over the phone. So, dealing with your attorney, when you call us, our consultation is over the phone. Of course, it's always free. The initial consultation is free. And then 30 days after filing, we have a requirement to meet with the trustee. Well, that happens over the phone or via Zoom also. So the question, when and where do you have to go when you are in a bankruptcy case, or when you're filing bankruptcy? You don't have to go anywhere in today's day and time. It's very, very convenient. Now, after you meet with the trustee, is there any requirements after that that you physically go somewhere? And the answer is no. At that point, you are possibly, the trustee may give us a little bit of homework and say, well, I'd like to have this document or that document. We may provide those documents, but there is no physical location that we have to go to do that. We're simply waiting for the email and or the snail mail, the U.S. Post Office, to give us the discharge from the trustee, and that's it. So there is no going to court. There is just a visit to the trustee, and that happens on the phone. So I hope that I gave you some good information, something relevant if you are considering bankruptcy as a solution for you. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And of course, if you know someone who may need this information, please share our information with them. If you'd like to get in contact with us, you are always welcome to go to hollandsbankruptcy.com, or you can give us a call at 866-86-BILLS. That's 866-862-4557. My name is Michael Hollins, managing attorney at Hollins Bankruptcy Law Office. Please be safe, and thank you for listening.